Welcome back. In the previous video on ChatGPT for Excel, we explored powerful functions like AI.ask, AI.table, AI.extract, translate, etc. In this video, we'll discuss three extremely powerful AI functions that can save a lot of manual effort and time. The first function we'll cover is AI.format. One of the most common Excel problems is inconsistent data formatting. For example, names written in different styles, dates in multiple formats, addresses or descriptions that are not standardized. This is where AI.format becomes powerful. Using AI.format, you can simply tell Excel how you want the data to look, and the AI will automatically format it for you. Here we have a data table with the list of a few names and date of joining. So we can see that the names have inconsistent format. So there are spaces and there are small and large characters. So in Amit Sharma, Sharma is starting from small case. This is proper. Here in Reena Kapoor, it is in small case and not proper case. So we want to format the list of names using the proper case. So here is how we can use the AI.format function. So we will type is equal to AI.format bracket open. So we'll select the values first, and then we have to tell Excel which format we want the data to be in. So we want the data to be in the proper case, close the bracket and enter. So now we see that Excel has formatted the data in the proper case, and the unnecessary spaces which the data had originally have been also taken care of. Now let's look at another example. So here we have the date of joining of these people. So the dates are in different formats. So here we have 21st December 2025, then December 24, 2024. There's a comma after January 31, 2025. So dates are in consistent format. We want the dates to be in a consistent format. So let's see how we can use the AI.format function to make the format consistent. So we'll type is equal to AI.format bracket open. We'll select the values, and the format we want is this one DDMMM and then YYYY. Close the bracket and enter. So we get the dates in a consistent format. If we wanted to use any Excel function to make these dates formats consistent, it would have been difficult. All these dates are in a different format. So AI.format feature in ChatGPT for Excel will save a lot of time in formatting the data. Now let's move to AI.choice. AI.choice allows Excel to intelligently pick one option from multiple choices based on context. Instead of using nested ifs or complex logic, you just provide the input data, a list of possible choices, and AI.choice selects the most appropriate option. We will understand how to use AI.choice with the help of couple of examples. So here we have a list of expenses. So there is expense ID and expense description. So we have the flight tickets for client meeting, office rent in Mumbai, Google Workspace subscription. So these are the expense descriptions, and we have the amount. And we want to classify these expenses into operating expenses, business promotion expenses, administrative expenses, and marketing expenses. So this could be a list which could extend to hundreds of rows. Instead of classifying the expenses manually, we can classify it using the AI.choice option in ChatGPT for Excel, and this will save us a lot of time. So we will type is equal to AI.choice bracket open. So the first input is the values. So we'll select the values and then comma. The second option is the choices. So these are the choices. We want to classify these expenses into any of these four categories, and then we will close the bracket. Enter. So based on the classification list given, AI.choice function has automatically classified these expenses. Flight ticket expenses for client meeting is business promotion expense. Office rent is operating expense. Google Workspace subscription again operating. Client dinner operating expense. Facebook ads is marketing expense. So based on ChatGPT's intelligence, these expenses have been classified into the given categories. Let's look at another example. So here we have the list of employees, the department, and the performance score, and we want to give these employees a rating. So the expected ratings are excellent, good, average, and poor. So based on these performance scores, we want to assign a particular rating to the employees. We can use the AI.choice function. So we'll type is equal to AI.choice, bracket open, we'll select the values and then the choices of the ratings, close the bracket and enter. So the employee with the performance score of 92 is classified as excellent. For Neha Verma, the score is 76, so it is good. Below 70, the score of 68 is classified as average. 84 again good. 88 is excellent. The score below 60, which is for Amit Patel, it is 59 is poor, and 95 is again excellent. So based again on the intelligence, AI.choice has assigned the rating to each of the employees. This is another example on how we can use AI.choice function in ChatGPT for Excel. Let's move to another function which is AI.list. AI.list is perfect when you want to generate a list based on prompt rather than typing everything manually. For example, you might want the list of top 20 cities in US, list of departments, checklist of steps, or want to create a list of job description. With AI.list, you may simply describe what kind of list you want. Excel instantly creates clean, structured list in the cells. This function saves a lot of time in data preparation, helps in creating drop down lists, and useful for dashboards, data validations, and templates. Think of AI.list as your smart list generator inside Excel. Let's see how we can use AI.list with the help of a couple of examples. So, the first example is simple. So, we want a list of top 20 cities in the US. So, I'll type is equal to AI.list bracket open. The first input required is the prompt. So we'll select the prompt, close the bracket, and enter. So we get a list of top 20 cities in the US with New York, Los Angeles, Chicago, Houston, Philadelphia, etc. So very quickly, we are able to create the list of top 20 cities in the US. Let's look at another example. So we want to create a job description for a project manager with 5 to 8 years of experience. The employment type is full time, industries, IT consulting, corporate services, and job location is Mumbai, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. So we want to create a list of job description requirement for this profile. So to create the job description profile, we can use the AI.list function. So we will type is equal to AI.list bracket open. The first input is the prompt. So we have the prompt over here. We'll select the prompt, and the second input is value. So we'll select the requirements given in the table, close the bracket, and enter. So within seconds, we have the list of job description. So it says proven experience in project management methodologies such as Agile, Scrum, or Waterfall, strong leadership skills with ability to motivate and guide teams, excellent communication and interpersonal skills. So it's quite an elaborate job description, ability to manage multiple projects simultaneously, experience with project management software tools, strong analytical and problem solving skills, and at the end they have also given the certifications, so relevant certifications such as PMP or Prince 2. So very elaborate job description. Instead of typing each item one by one, we are able to generate the list within a few seconds. So this feature is very useful when we want to create list or job description, list of financial ratios, etc. So it saves a lot of time for the Excel user. Thank you.